Turning your passion into profit. How to open an aquarium store in 2025. Hey everyone, there's something magical about an aquarium. The gentle hum of the filter, the vibrant colors of the fish. It's enough to make anyone want to open up shop. Is the aquarium craze still a thing? Can you really make a living selling fish? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of aquarium stores in 2025. We'll cover everything from initial costs and permits to building a loyal customer base. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just starting out, this video is your guide to navigating the exciting waters of the aquarium business. We'll talk about demand, setting up shop, and keeping those fish and your profits healthy and thriving. So grab your fish nets and get ready to learn. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my guides. And don't forget to check out Fred's No Frills videos for more in-depth tutorials and tips. Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering if the aquarium market is still booming. It's more alive than a school of neon tetras in a planted tank. The pet industry exploded during the pandemic, and that love for our finned friends hasn't faded. In 2023 alone, the US pet industry raked in a whopping $136 billion. Freshwater fish are the third most popular pet, right behind dogs and cats. The aquarium industry is a multi-billion-dollar giant itself. Tanks, filters, food, plants, decorations, it all adds up. Niche markets like shrimp breeding, nanotanks, and aquascaping are gaining massive traction online. Searches for low-maintenance fish tanks and planted aquariums have skyrocketed. So, is there still demand for aquarium stores in 2025? Absolutely. With the right approach and passion, you can carve out your own successful niche in this thriving market. Alright, now that you know the demand is there, let's talk brass tacks. What does it take to get your own aquarium store up and running? Start with the legalities. Register your business and obtain all necessary permits and licenses. Check with local, state, and federal authorities, especially for importing and exporting live animals. Next up, location. Passionate fish keepers will travel for a quality shop. Focus on a space with good ventilation, proper plumbing, and ample parking. When starting out, offer a curated selection of hardy, beginner-friendly species. Guppies, tetras, mollies, corridoras, these are all great options. You'll need tanks, filters, food, water conditioners, and live plants. Starting any business requires capital. For a small retail space, you're looking at an initial investment of $20,000 to $50,000. This covers rent, renovations, initial inventory, and permits. Plan on spending another $5,000 to $10,000 to stock your tanks with healthy fish. Monthly overhead can range from $3,000 to $8,000. Start small and scale up as your customer base grows. You can have the flashiest store in town, but if you don't know a guppy from a goldfish, you're not going to last long. Customers are investing in your expertise. Offer top-notch water testing and diagnostics. Give real-world, practical solutions, not just a sales pitch. A healthy fish means a returning customer. Set up a dedicated quarantine system to ensure new arrivals aren't carrying diseases. Some folks are just starting out and need guidance. Put up informative signage. Explain the nitrogen cycle, filtration, and fish compatibility. Play educational videos on a loop. Many successful store owners started as hobbyists. If you've been breeding fish or maintaining planted tanks, you've got a head start. Share that knowledge. Build trust and become the go-to aquarium guru. Let's talk about the internet. It's changed the game for every industry, including the aquarium trade. Online sales can work in your favor, even with a brick-and-mortar store. Online aquarium sales have doubled since 2020. There's a world of fish enthusiasts eager for unique, high-quality stock. Rare species can fetch a pretty penny on platforms like eBay, Aquabid, and Facebook groups. The demand for aquascaping materials, rare plants, and premium hardscape is through the roof. Once you've established a loyal local following, start dipping your toes into the online world. Set up a website, create social media profiles, and showcase your unique offerings. Offer shipping or local delivery to broaden your reach. Start small and scale up at your own pace. Before I cut you loose to conquer the aquarium world, here are some golden nuggets of wisdom. Prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to have a smaller selection of healthy fish than a massive tank of stressed out critters. Word of mouth is everything in this business. Train your staff well, make sure they can answer customer questions accurately and confidently. Encourage them to offer honest, educated advice. Your store should be a pleasure to visit. Keep it clean, odor-free, and visually appealing. Host monthly events like betta contests, aquascaping workshops, or meet and greets for local hobbyists. Foster a sense of community. Use an email list to offer discounts and exclusive deals. Treat the aquarium hobby like a community, not just a business. Be passionate, knowledgeable, and genuine. So there you have it, folks. My no-frills guide to starting a successful aquarium store in 2025. It's not always easy, but there's nothing as rewarding as turning your passion for fish keeping into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. From fish keeping and camping to card counting and everything in between, I'm here to help you navigate life's adventures. Thanks for watching, and best of luck building the aquarium store of your dreams. Remember, the world needs more passionate fish keepers like you. And don't forget to check out Fred's No Frills videos for more straightforward, no-nonsense guides on a variety of topics.